So in this video I want to show you how to connect CORSAIR Scimitar with your PC. To do this, first you will need to connect it using the USB cable, and it's basically fixed connected to your mouse, so just plug in the USB end to your PC or laptop. Then I strongly recommend to open your browser and here find the software called ICUE. And it's official software for mouses and other devices from CORSAIR. If you Google it, you can find it right here and just download it. When it's downloaded, it should look like this, and when you connect the mouse, you should see it in the panel, and that is basically on how to set up this mouse. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.